Сюда ко мне! Сюда ко мне! Сюда ко мне! Сюда! Быстро!
Mechanized assault consisting out of 2 M2A2 Bradley IFVs and 1 M1A1 Abrams tank of the Ukrainian 47th Mechanized Brigade in the Kursk region. The video was provided by the commander of Bradley Alexander Koch. Despite concentrated efforts, Russian forces are still struggling to push Ukrainian troops out of the contested areas near the Kursk region. This ongoing resistance has frustrated Russian command, especially as they face advanced Western-supplied weaponry. U.S.-supplied Bradleys, Abrams tanks, and HIMARS systems have become particularly aggravating for Russian forces. These weapons give Ukrainians both defensive and offensive capabilities that make any advances costly and difficult to sustain. The high mobility of Bradleys and the heavy armor of Abrams allow Ukrainian forces to defend their positions with resilience, while HIMARS provide the ability to strike high-value targets deep behind Russian lines, disrupting supply chains and command posts. Each encounter with these Western weapons intensifies Russian frustration, as they're not only facing determined Ukrainian troops, but also some of the most advanced military technology in the world. Special forces of the 12th Azov Brigade, clearing urban areas in Nelipivka, captured a Russian man who was trying to hide in a village toilet.
Тихо, живий! Вилазь! Вилазь! Вылезай! Контакт! Вылазь! Вылезай! Быстро! Ебал в пол! Ебал в пол! Ебал в пол! Ползи! Ползи сюда! Сюда ползи! Сюда ко мне! Сюда ко мне! Сюда ко мне! Сюда! Быстро! Быстро! Бегом!
За дерево.
Блин. Быстрее! Быстрее сюда! Гранат нету! Я буду рада, я тебе говорю, я тебе бабу несу. Перебили его. Сюда ползи, сюда. 1200. Молодой дебил. Пацаны, чекайте. Ползи сюда, быстрее. Это ты дебил, ты тупо умер на параше, ты это понимаешь?
Russian channels have noted that in the battalions and companies, the auxiliary units such as UAVs and machine gunners are being reduced. The text is long, but to summarize, there is a catastrophic shortage of personnel for meat assaults in the companies, and all the more or less smart guys are hiding in these auxiliary units. However, simply sending everyone into meat assaults is a bad idea, as these units, despite the lack of uniformity, provide some support to the remnants of the suicidal soldiers in the trenches. This could lead to even greater losses. At the same time, when discussing the lack of a unified communication system, it is noted that command posts are consistently operating foreign Starlinks. There is increasing information that unofficial units within infantry regiments and battalions are being eliminated by order. First and foremost, these include drone operator groups, command posts, unofficial communication teams, and others. A good acquaintance of mine, who serves in the headquarters of one of the sectors, explained it to me like this. They've created so many unofficial units that soon there will be no one left to fight. A standard infantry battalion exists, but there's no one to lead the assault. These drone guys, those in communications, those evacuators. In the end, there are 90 people available in the company, but only 20 are going into the assault at best. The rest are engaged in some kind of unofficial support. Tasks need to be solved, but it turns out there's no one to do it. The leadership's concern is understandable. An offensive requires strength and, above all, people. The current temporary shortfall needs to be filled by someone. And here in the regiments, there are dozens or even hundreds of fighters, listed as riflemen, grenade launchers, machine gunners, snipers, sitting in dugouts and basements, operating drones, conducting reconnaissance and observation, while only small groups are going into the assault. This is not right. The solution has been found. Specially formed drone units, battalions, are needed to take on the roles of aerial clearance, reconnaissance, and observation, while infantry should focus on their job, storming Ukrainian servicemen on the situation at Kurakov. The enemy is gradually bypassing Kurakov behind the reservoir, steadily bringing the northern flank of the city under fire control. Defense under such conditions becomes significantly more difficult, while constant mechanized assault actions are ongoing towards the main logistics route. A drone strike took out a Russian UAZ, leaving it beyond repair. The gifts meant for the boys won't make it.
Добрый день. Вот наш козел, блядь. Сами видите. Успели выскочить. Ёбаный в рот, блядь. Пизда машине, нахуй. А? Ёбаный сто. Вот. Вот так мы сегодня поработали. Полная машина и генератор там у нас стоял, везли пацанам. Генератор минус. Машина минус. Вот так воюем, кому непонятно. Видите? Все нахуй. Сигареты. Видите? Вот так мы сегодня поработали. Машины нет. Так что как-то так. Вот козел наш.
A Ukrainian copter equipped with a net shooter intercepts the Russian Mavic 3 in the eastern direction. We were talking about the drone dog fights in Ukraine, but this is another dimension. Just wait till the end.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.